What's up guys? So tonight we're going to Khao-San Road! Yes. So yun, kakasakay po namin ng taxi and we're excited now.
Khao-San Road!
Nalagyan po kami ng ilaw ng driver.
Sira niya yung vlogger.
Lights off.
Flashlight.
Funny. Look at that. Di mo po kami sumakay and it's for 150 baht.
For 5.
For 5%, yeah. Traffic. Long live the king. We're finally here at Khao-San Road.
Not open.
Siyempre, pictorial muna. So nahihirapan po kami mag-decide kung saan bar kami mag-stay. Maraming choices. Tubig lang. Cheers! Cheers! Dad! Dad! Cheers!
Kuya, ikaw magkano?
Taray!
Napunta si Mother si Tang dito. น้องโคล่าอยู่ไหมเอ่ยน้องโคล่านักสืบน้องโคล่า
Tapos lang po naming mag-party and we're walking going to the night market nearby. And sa tapat po namin, nandito po yung Democratic, I don't know what's the name. So, sabi, pupunta daw kaming night market, but then we're here in McDonald's. Hi Jay, how are you? So ayun, umiilang pala yung kaibigan namin dito sa McDo. Iilang. Now we're on our way to the night market. Let's go. Yoga. Bilis silang maglakad. Ayun. Go, go, go.
Tara na!
So, may party pala dito.
Dito na wala nag-park!
Police car lang po yun actually.
Sorry, ilang ka lang.
So, daan muna tayo. 7-Eleven. Ano bilhin niyo?
Gubig.
Tubig.
Nam, 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 nam.
Namkat?
Kamay din na tayo sa Thailand. Kamay din na.
Actually, naantok na. Sure na ba to? Ito na talaga yun. Ayun nga, actually naliligaw na kami. Hindi namin sure kung ito ba talaga yung daanan papunta dun sa night market. And I'm so tired already. I'm sleepy. Wanna sleep. Ay, ito pala oh. Sakay na lang tayo dito. Hanggat ko na lang sa akin. Sakay na lang tayo dito. Baka umabot tayo dun sa pupuntahan natin. So ano, kaya nyo pa? Ito na po yung ilog.
Baka dito ko na
Pasupot tayo na.
I declare that our friendship is null and void.
Dun siguro aakyat tayo.
Oh, meron na ka-record oh. Meron na ka-record.
Bawo ng kanal, ilog ba to o kanal? Hindi namin alam kung nasan kami. Dito na po masusubok yung pagkakaibigan namin. So, totoo na ba to? Ay, ito nga. Andito yung market. This is it. This is Bobay Night Market. Pintahan lang siya ng mga damit actually. Sobrang murang mga damit. That is there. Sobrang pawis na pawis ako. Ay, glow in the dark siya. Oh, ang cute. Loafer. It's just a market. The usual market. Kanya-kanya na ba tayo ng Grab? Kaya nyo pa ba? Gagala pa ba tayo bukas?
Cancel. It's 1:45 in the morning at we're lost in Bangkok. we are living in Bangkok but we lost.
Kasi ang sabi namin sa Ruam Rudi kami bababa. Dinala niya kami sa Nonthaburi. Labas na to ng Bangkok.
Kaya nga, yung 50 kilometers na tayo.
That's our Bangkok tour.
Sabihin nyo na lang BTS Flow and Cheat.
Hey. Totoo na ba to?
Totoo na to? Sakay na.
Baka diretso na tayong Kawayain. So ayun, second taxi na po namin. Open siya. So ayun guys, finally nakauwi rin kami. Linis ng... Ay, nakakapagod. Finally, nakauwi rin sa wakas.
Gusto mo
Gusto mo yun? Gusto ko yun! Naligaw lang kami lang. What time is it? 2 a.m. Night! Night, guys! I'm so tired. So yun guys, that's our vlog for tonight, and sobrang nakakapagod talaga, as in super. Naligaw kami kung saan na kami naligaw. Okay, well, it was a funny experience actually, and nag-enjoy naman kami kahit pa paano. And that's our vlog for tonight, guys. Tomorrow we'll be having a temple hopping. I'm so excited, and we're just gonna have a sleep. Tutulog muna tayo, papahinga tayo, then later punta na tayo Grand Palace and Wat Arun Temple. Okay, see you sa next vlog, guys. Good night.